In this video, I'm going to show you how you will consolidate in Excel. Here we have multiple tables in one spreadsheet. So what I want to do is to combine the data together and put it in one table. So let's do the consolidation. Let's go to the second sheet. I already named it consolidation or consolidated sheet. Now you go to data and click on consolidate. In this consolidate box, we can see the function sum and many more. So there's count, average, max, mean, product, count numbers. You'll just need to select one that you want to use in your consolidated sheet. We'll stick with sum, although it will not sum up anything in here because what we want to do is just to combine all the data into one table. So let's begin by entering or selecting our references. So click here. And then let's go to the sheet 1. I will select section up to the MPS. Next, go back up here and click on add. So we have entered the first reference cell. Next, click again here. Select the second data or reference. Go back up here again. Click add one more time. So we have entered the second reference cell. Go back here again. Select this, go up, and add. Let's enter another reference. Click here, and then let's proceed to URI. Up here again, then click add. So we have entered 4 references. Again, click here. Let's go to the next. Click, add, and next. This would be the last. Click, then add. If you have made a mistake, you can delete a reference and add a new one. Then use labels in top row. Let's check this and the left column. Then click OK. So now we have this table here. Let me just select the table and press Ctrl T. Click OK. So now I have a table here. I can change this, the title for column 1. Change it to section. Aside from you can change the titles of the columns, you can also change the table style or the design. Just go to the table design tab and choose the style of your table. Want this or this one here. You can also change the text to bold or change this to center, place this to the center. Now, if you want to sort the name of the sections by or in alphabetical order, so sort from A to Z, you can do that. You can also filter the sections. So let us just try sort A to Z. So there you go. Let us do a random check. Let's say Agan. The section Agan has an MPS of 43.15. Let's go back to our reference sheet. So Agan has a MPS of 43.15. Let's see what else. Dagohoy. Dagohoy has an MPS of 44.4. So where is the Dagohoy here? Dagohoy has a 44.4 MPS. Let's say Zamora. Zamora has 41.63 MPS. Let us look at Zamora here. 41.63 MPS. And there's a total of 30 sections in here. You can also arrange the list by its MPS. Just click here. You may either select sort from smallest to largest or sort largest to smallest, and you can custom sort. Another thing is you can insert a slicer. So slicer is used to filter data visually. So let's click here and select section. Click OK. I have here a section slicer. You can have more than one slicers if you want. Let me select Burgos. So the Burgos and its data is seen here. The other rows are hidden. You can also multi-select. So let me select Aquino, Arroyo, Aguinaldo. Let me just deselect Burgos and Gomez. So now I have here 4 sections and their corresponding information. So this is what slicers can do. It's like a filter. Now if you want to go back to the complete list, just click on Clear Filter. If you need the average MPS, you can do that here. Just go to the bottom, click on the cell where you want to place your average MPS, then go up here and click on the function that you want, average. So now you have 48.7152. Let's decrease the decimal place. And you can also choose and change the function to max, min, sum, or count. Just take note that whatever changes we make in sheet 1, that will not affect or have an impact to this consolidation sheet because we did not create any links to our source data. So that is what we will have to do on our next example. The next example I will show you is a consolidation with links to source data. So here I have quarter 1 grade sheet. These are the students, and we have Math, Science, English, and Filipino, 4 subjects. And then for quarter 2, we have also 4 subjects and same students, same with quarter 3 and quarter 4. So we now need to consolidate the grades at the end of the school year. So we will be getting the averages. So let's click on the first cell. And then let's go to data and start consolidating. So let's go to consolidate. This time I will choose the function average. Now let's enter the references. So let's click here and go to quarter 1 and select the area that you want to be included in the consolidation. Go back up here and click add. Now go to quarter 2 and select the area. Click here, add. Then click on the icon again. Proceed to quarter 3, same thing. Let's select, click, add. One more, quarter 4. Click here, then add. So now we have entered quarter 1, 2, 3, and 4. Use labels in top row. Let's check this and left column. Now this time we will create links to source data and OK. Me convert this text to table. So just highlight and press Ctrl T and click my table has headers. Click OK. Now I can just delete column 2, delete, and let's change the column 1 title to student. What else? Let's just put this at the center, and we can also make this numbers whole number. This one here. So now we have a table with the students, same students, and the 4 subjects, Math, Science, English, and Filipino. So what else can we do here? You can also change the table design to other colors if you want. Say this one here, or green, or if you want that, or the orange. Let's stick to orange. We can also change the table name. Go up here and edit that. I will name it summary. Enter. Then at this side here, we have 1, 2, then all of these plus symbols here. If we click the number 2, all of the grades from quarter 1, 2, 3, and 4 will be reflected here. So let's say for student A, his grades in math, quarter 1, 2, 3, and 4. These are his grades in science, English, and Filipino. And if you click here, it's the average from B2, this one here, to B5. So that's it. All of these are averages of the 4 quarters grade. So let's just click 1 to return. You may also individually check the grades. For example, I have made few errors here. Let's go to student T. Let's click on the plus symbol. His first quarter grade in Filipino is 77 here. But when I check, it's really 80. So let's go to quarter 1 and change this 77 to 80. Now let's see how will that affect our consolidation sheet. So from 77, this grade now is 80 and the average changes. Let's go to student N. Let's click on the plus sign. His grade in second quarter math is 75 and he has an average of 76 here. So let's see, let's go to quarter 2. This one should be, let's say, 81. Now let's go back to console. So from 75, the grade was changed to 81. And notice that the average also changes. From 76, this was changed to 77. So this is how the create links to source data works. Whatever changes you make to your references or the sheets as your source data, then that will impact the consolidation sheet that you have created.